we have seen that it is working manually. That is manually when I change this direction of motion of this crank or this cam rod, cam and follower are working fine as how they do in real world. But let us see whether we can do this automatically. So for this, we have an option called motion study. Let us make this part as 0 so that it rests at 0. Okay. And let us try to do motion study. So go to assemble, go for motion study. In the motion study, we have to bring for which joints we need the study. So we are trying to bring the study for this revolute joint. That is, we are going to see if we rotate this part, how the other parts are going to move. So I'm going to click here. So we have got this part. So the first point is already taken. That is at 0. This is going to be at this location. Now at 20, that is I'm going to make 5 parts of 100. For evenly distributing this motion 0 to 360 over 0 to 100, we have to divide it by 5 so that I can decide at which position it has to be at 20. So 360 by 5 is 72. So here it should be at 72 degrees. So I'll click here and you can see it is showing 19 because I didn't click exactly, but here I'll give it as 20. And here the angle should be 72. Then click enter. So you can see at 20 it is showing 72 degrees rotation. Then here at 40 degrees it will be 72 into 2, that will be 144. Then click enter. And at 60, 72 into 3, that will be 260. Then click enter. Then here at 80, it will be 72 into 4, which is 288. Then click enter. And here it has to be 360 degrees at 100. So to brief you about what we have done right now, this joint, it has to go from 0 to 360, and that I have evenly distributed it from 0 to 100 scale, which is available over here. So at each point, 1/5 of 360 degrees value I have given. Okay, then click enter, and then let us see how we have generated this motion. So here I can play this from the beginning. When I play this, you can see that I have got this motion. So here this is starting point. You can see here. When I play, you can see how it is rotating. So this is the exact motion that I'm going to get when I really manufacture this part. So here we will see the other tools that are available in motion study. I can increase the speed of the motion, or I can even decrease it. Then I can do the reverse motion. So here you can see it is the reverse motion, and then both the ways I can do. So forward, reverse, and here I can repeat the motion. That is from 0 to 360. Again, it is going to start from 0, 360, and this is the exact motion that is going to happen when we actually manufacture this part. So this we have currently simulated in Fusion 360.